enjoy being in the kitchen and just helping out. Thanksgiving really is the perfect opportunity to include them. So Leanne Wimberly with Tutor Doctor in Swanee is here showing us some fun learning opportunities involving family recipes and lots of other good stuff as well. So Leanne, good to see you again.
Oh, great.
Hey,
thanks for having me.
Welcome back.
Happy to be here.
Yes, I love how you're inviting us to bring our kids in, right? You don't necessarily have to be doing homework for them to be learning. They can learn through all kinds of activities, right?
Yeah, absolutely. So Thanksgiving, kitchens everywhere are going to be real busy very soon. And it's tempting to just sort of shoo the kids out of the kitchen.
Yes,
so
it
that
is.
you can get things done. But at Tutor Doctor, we think there are some opportunities to make them feel useful, have some learning opportunities, and become a part of family traditions.
So true.
themselves.
So true. Okay, so let's start with this. Math in the kitchen, right?
Yeah, absolutely. So we think about it would be great for them to help us with the recipes, with measuring. So let's say we usually make a dish that calls for a 1/4 cup of flour. So we have the opportunity to talk to our kids about, okay, we're going to double that, and 1/4 cup is going to become a half of a cup. So we are able to talk about fractions and multiplying fractions as well as measuring.
That's an easy way to do that. It really is. Plus, you do need those ingredients measured out, so it's twofold. It's actually helpful for them to help you with that. Something else, reading aloud. Lots of opportunities for that in the kitchen.
Absolutely. So if your kid needs some reading practice, they can become the official recipe reader. You know, it gives them an important job and it practices their reading skills. And I don't know about you, but I don't love recipes on my phone.
Right.
I'm always dealing with that.
Up, then you got to, with messy hands, redo it.
Exactly. So if it's a book or a phone, but they can be the official recipe reader.
Sure, that's a great idea. Okay, so something else, obviously this gets my attention when you talk about these recipes. So many of us don't have them all together in one spot. The kiddos can help with that.
Absolutely. So I think about my own family. I think about my grandmother, who was an amazing cook, but she never wrote down recipes, and that actually inspired this next project. So it's not just about reading and math, it's about becoming a part of family traditions as well.
Beautifully said. So what do we do to get started on our own?
Yeah, so there are lots of ways to do this, but you know, if you have school-age kids and you're like me, you probably have a lot of binders sitting around, binders and tabs and all this stuff. So I use what we have at home, and we use this simple binder, and we have some opportunities to decorate it, but we also have, you know, tabs for the different types of recipes. We have the sheet protectors, keep things nice, and also when you add more recipes, you can put them into the binder.
Perfect. Yeah, that's a great idea. And so many of us already have a lot of these supplies that we would need at home, right?
Absolutely. Yeah. And when it comes to decorating, you know, maybe your older kids can interview their family members and get the recipes written down, type, handwritten, what have you. Maybe they want to add a little story card, a memory about that recipe or how it came to be. And maybe your younger ones like to do the decorating, so they can decorate those internal tabs, they can decorate the recipes themselves. This example here is when we had multiple kids and everybody wants their art to be.
Yeah, I want to turn this around so we can get a good look at the artwork in this.
So everybody wants their art, right? No one wants to be off the cover.
That's true.
So we use this this little Pokemon type or baseball card type insert, and we cut out pieces of paper for all the kids, and they can put their own art, and then everybody gets a fair share.
Such a great idea. Such a great idea. Something easy involving the kids, involving the whole family to help make these traditions, like you said. Let me ask you this: where are you located? How do we find you?
Okay, so Tutor Doctor comes to the student. So we do most of our tutoring in-home. So we don't have centers. We have businesses around the Atlanta area, and they give us a call, or they go to tutordoctor.com. You can find your local office, and we'll talk to them about how we can customize some learning one-to-one for their students.
Perfect. Thank you so much, Leanne, for coming in just in time for Thanksgiving, giving us some ideas to involve the kids and help them learn at the same time.
Absolutely.
Yes, it's a win-win. So for more information on tutoring resources, you can head to tutordoctor.com. You can also find that link up on our website, fox5atlanta.com. It's 9:41 and coming